best mental exercises for your brain. Just doing crossword puzzles is like, going to gym and doing a right bicep curls and then leaving. You have to work out your whole brain. The best mental exercises is acquiring is new knowledge and doing things you have not done before. Even if your routine activities are fairly complicated, such as teaching in a college or reading, doing something very important like a crashed computer course, they won't necessarily boost your brain because they aren't new. Whenever the brain does something over and over, it learns how to do it using less and less energy. So continuous new learning, such as learning a new hobby or a new game, that helps you new connections, new neural connection, that's a neural pathway. So the rewiring of the brain takes place. Thus maintaining and improving the function of other less used brain areas. So here are some exercises which I just researched, that the various parts of the brain. So for the prefrontal cortex, that's the frontal where it is in the forehead. So the language games such as Scrabble, Boggle, Wordle and crossword puzzles, strategy games such as chess or meditation. For temporal lobe, you can have some memory games, learning to play new instruments. Alright, so now parietal lobes. For parietal lobes, some maths games like Sudoku, juggling, map reading, etc. For cerebellum, it's a coordination game. It could be dancing, yoga, or it could be table tennis or knitting, something like this. Alright, so now new learning tips I'll give you. So 15 minutes, please spend 15 minutes of your time in a day to learning something new. What Einstein said, if you spend 15 minutes a day studying something, you will become an expert in a year. In 5 years, you will be a national expert, Alright, so take an online course, gain new skills at work, train for another job or level up with an advanced courses in your field. Why not swap roles with one of your co-workers? This would benefit not only your brain but also the team that you are working with. Step out of your routine to arouse the other parts of the brain. Switch it up by doing some of the tasks which are with a different hand. We told you writing with the left hand or going in opposite direction or walk. That will activate the other brain hemisphere. Of course, brushing the teeth with your left hand or throw a ball with your less dominant hand. Take a different route for going for work or somewhere. Walk backwards for a few minutes. The goal is to make your brain uncomfortable so that it will grow. So what is that you are doing today? I am at least learning a lot of things about now metacognition, and I am spending 15 minutes of my time hereafter learning that. What are you going to learn? Write it down and put it in the chat box that what you are going to learn. Bye. Dr. Kshama Kulhalli signing off.